If you love Italian style pasta salad, have I got a recipe for you. This one is packed with flavor, but it's got very little effort. Stay tuned, let's make this one together. This Italian pasta salad is packed with pepperoncinis, olives, feta cheese, parmesan, and a simple Italian dressing. It's the perfect cold pasta salad recipe for spring dinners, cookouts, or easy meal prep. Okay, I'm Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator, and I am so glad you joined us tonight so we can make this Italian deli pasta salad. Let me tell you real quick what's in there, but you don't need to grab pen and paper or anything like that. Recipe's always in the description for you. Thank you so very much. Nobody wants to write all this down. All right, we're gonna tell you real quick, then I'm gonna put it into the proportions and we will build it all up. So let's start from the back. Obviously you need some rotini pasta. You need some Italian dressing. Let's get some pepperoncinis, and you're gonna need a little bit of the pepperoncini juice as well. You will need green olives, black olives. You can put in some roasted red bell pepper if you want to. That's optional. You need red onion, diced small. You're gonna need some feta cheese. You're gonna need some shaved Parmesan cheese. Okay, not shredded, but you want the shaved Parmesan cheese. And then, of course, you can do pepperoni, you can do salami, you can do ham. Your choice. I've got all three, so I'm gonna put a little bit of all three in there. And then, like we said, let's add a cucumber. We're cool as a cucumber. Let's add a cucumber in this as well, and some cherry tomatoes. There we go. See, that's why everything's down in the description. All right, give me a minute. Let's get this all into the proportions that it's supposed to be in, and I'll meet you back on this side of the kitchen. Let's pull it together. Alrighty, bit of cutting, and we are ready to make our salad. So we have our pasta. It has been cooked al dente. It's the rotini kind, so it took 7 to 8 minutes. Easy peasy. Rinse it under cold water. You don't want warm pasta to make this. You want cold pasta. So this is nice and cold. So in a large bowl, and then I have this other bowl back here because it'll probably end up fitting in here, but you need a bowl large enough that you can mix everything without stirring everything out of control. Here's what I want you to remember. Most everything that I put in here is half a cup. There are two things that are less than a half a cup or more than a half a cup. One's less, one's more. When we get there, I'll let you know. But just keep in the back of your head, this is only a half a cup each. It's just a half a cup. So we have the pasta in here. It's the whole box, so that's 10 ounces of pasta. Next thing we want to add is the pepperoncinis. Pepperoncinis have been sliced, and I did my best to take any seeds out if I found seeds. Put that over here in the sink. The next one you want to put in, let's do the olives. So I have black olives, sliced again, and I slice them long ways. And I like to add in green olives too. That's my optional. If you don't like those, you don't have to have those in there. All right, red onion. Again, half a cup. If you don't like that much onion, reduce it. If you don't want any onion, you could take this out. But we've got just a half a cup. Tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, same thing, sliced in half. Add some nice color to it. And guess what? It was a half a cup. Another optional one is those roasted red peppers. Same thing, about a half a cup. When I pulled them out of the thing, they were yay long. I cut them in half, so maybe inch and a half long. And let's add the cucumber. That's another optional one. Hubby's not that big of a fan of it, so I didn't make it quite a half a cup, but doesn't matter. He'll pick it out and he'll give it to me. Hubby will pick it out and hand it over to my plate. It's fine. It's fine. That's how that works. Okay, so we have all our veggies. Now we're gonna toss and mix. Smells delish right now. All right, now we want to add, here's where we come off just a little bit. Pepperoncini juice. So out of that jar of pepperoncinis, which the half cup of pepperoncinis ended up being like 6 of them sliced, you need a tablespoon of pepperoncini juice. And you need a half a cup of your favorite Italian dressing. Pick your favorite, that way you know it's good. All right, I'm gonna take the camera down because I want to show you while I mix it up. All right, you've got all of these flavors now merged together, and the pasta has done a great job absorbing the oils, but it's not wet. This is not a wet salad. Now, the next thing you want to add in is your Parmesan and your feta cheese. Parmesan, we're right back at it. Half a cup. Your feta cheese, however, is 3/4 cup. So just a little bit more feta than Parmesan. And we will fold that in. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. The last thing you want to add in is your meat. Now we like it pretty meaty. So I not only have salami slices in here, but I also have pepperoni slices, and I have some diced ham. So what we normally do is just go around the sides like so. And then I'll dump the ham right in the middle. This is 8 slices each of the salami and the pepperoni. I just told you saw the package that I got. You could also just go to the deli and ask them for a slab each, and you can cut it into squares if you want, and then the ham and the pepperoni would match with the salami, or not. That's what's beautiful about cooking. You can do it your way, your preference. It's your kitchen. You do it your way. All right, that ham is going right on top. Now this salad, in order for the flavors to get all mixed up and commiserate, as Papa would say, takes about an hour. So we need to set this in for about an hour before you serve it. But that's it. Like I said, if you can remember half cup of everything, with just 2 little exceptions to that, you can make this salad so simple, easy. Thank you so much for being with us here today. I appreciate you so very much. I'm so excited that we made 300 friends at our table. I cannot believe it. We're gonna have to rent out a dining hall. It's the only way it's gonna make it work, and we'll have to say hello to everyone as they come in. So please stop by in the comments and say hello. If you liked this video, if I was helpful or gave you a tip at all along the way today, would you give me a thumbs up? That really helps the algorithm. And also, if you haven't decided to be a friend at our table, what's stopping you? Come on in, come on. Hit that subscribe button and join the club. Psh, there's no cost, nothing happens, just helps me out. Helps me out if you become a subscriber. I'm so close to that 500 now. I can see it. Hello, 500. All right, stay tuned for a Zen moment, and we will see you next time. I'm gonna get this guy going in the fridge so it's ready to go. All right, bye friends, have a good night. Bye.